Oh yeah. Yo, what's up? DJ Precise again. Actually, the milk's on, I'm done with it. Like I said to you guys. Today, I went out to get my hair cut. Fresh. So I got this CD instead of a drink because I have a drink here. I have my coffee. Do you believe me? And here it is. New and sealed, side of it and the back of it. Now, Animals is my favourite one. Now, it does say parental licenses content because there's one song called, it says, if you see there, this summer's gonna hit like a mother. I'm not gonna say the rest of it, but let's get into this. Yeah. This was from HMV. As you say. Anyways, I'm keeping that seat. Anyway. Animals is my favourite song from this album. I just love it. Ugh. Not yet. There we go, done. Alright, this takes a while. Okay, there we go. So, oh my god, that looks clean. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on here because it's brand new. Guys, the CD's the wrong way around. It's supposed to be different. We can see the V just somewhere, right? I'm gonna put it. Actually, you know what? No, since I bought it like that, it stays like that. Oh my god, the booklet. Ugh! And these are. I don't think these are lyrics. Yeah, there's not lyrics. Really. So we've got Animals. Animals. This is the second track, by the way, on the album V by Maroon 5. I love that song. Right. So this has obviously never been opened ever. As you can see, you know why? Because there's literally no scratches, no nothing. I forgot a picture. There's it. Yeah, so I'm gonna stand it like that. So you can see, I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna do that. I can see like that, stand up, because I don't want this being. I just got this today. Oh man. Baby, I'm playing on you today.